We are going to do expansion. Okay, question not in textbook, Alright, so b times b again. If you have to bracket, you have to multiply like this. Understand? Okay, so give me the answer. Adam?
B
B squared. B times 9
9B.
mean positive 9b. Then
Negative 9B
correct.
and negative 9.
Negative 9 times 9.
Negative 81.
Negative 81. So is there any you can simplify?
Middle.
Okay, so become what?
B.
No, this one becomes 0. So the answer is this one become this 0. Understand? No more. Okay? 9b minus 9b is 0. So what is left? B squared minus 81. Okay, so how about B? Give me the answer.
A square
Okay,
plus AB
correct.
minus B AB
Sama juga. Okay,
and plus A minus B square.
okay. Simplify.
A2
A squared. Okay,
minus B square.
minus B squared. Because AB minus AB becomes 0. Now D.
X square
Okay,
plus X
okay.
negative X
Correct.
and negative 1.
Negative 1. Simplify.
X square
Okay,
minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, and D.
16y square
Okay,
plus 28y
correct.
minus 28y
Correct.
minus 7 minus 49.
Minus 41. 49. Simplify.
16y square
Correct.
minus 49.
Minus 49. So, what you have to understand is that actually I took this question from the textbook. This is actually 2.2. The question is is it number 2? No, it's number 3. Okay. Number 3A, the question is b squared minus 81. So I want to show you how to do factorization for this pattern. Okay? So this is actually the concept is, okay, let me start with this one. Okay, because this is the basic. Okay, question B is a squared minus b squared. This pattern we have to memorize it. So there is nothing else to do except you have to memorize. If a squared minus b squared, the answer will become a minus b, a plus b inside the bracket. So why did I say this become this? Because when you expand, become this. So if you factorize from here, it become that. So nothing to do except you have to memorize the pattern. So if this is x squared minus y squared, so a minus b, a plus b. Similarly with question C, x x squared minus 1, actually for 1, you can write 1 squared. But if x squared minus 2, you cannot write 2 squared, no. Only 1, because 1 squared is still 1. So this become what? Oh, okay, anyway, if you want to write plus first or minus first, no problem. Okay, so I write plus first now. And minus. That is the factorization for this pattern. So for these two questions, you don't have to do anything, right? So almost nothing. But for question C, for A, you have to make it this pattern only if you can make it. And all the numbers here are perfect square. What is perfect square? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. So 81 you can express as 9 squared. Understand? So if you press calculator, you square root of 81. So you can rewrite sebagai 9 squared. So 9 squared will be 81. So after that, after you have make it to this pattern and write down like this, iaitu b minus 9 and b plus 9, like this. Okay, so factorization is always the inverse of expansion. Okay, so this pattern. Okay, and the last one, the D. So 16 is what? So this question is 16y squared minus 49. So if you notice, these number are perfect square, we change to the square pattern. That is 16 will be 4 squared. 4 squared, y squared. So 49 is 7 squared. So if there are numbers that are not perfect square, so it's not this pattern. And only for minus. Understand? So if sometime you have a squared plus b squared, that is not this pattern. That is another pattern that you're going to learn in at Math Form 4. Okay. For this one, so become 4y minus 7 and 4y plus 7.